Hello, in this video, I'm going to talk to you about how we can deny boarding passengers in Obama's DCS. In emergency situations, after check-in, a check-in agent may want to prevent issuing a boarding card because there might be trouble with a passenger's baggage or a passenger's name in the reservation system. In such circumstances, you must use the deny boarding option. To do this, first search for the passenger's name. Then click on the More button with the ellipsis mark in the Action tab, and choose the Deny Boarding option. Write down the reason for denying boarding in the description box, and click on the Deny button. As you can see, the color of the passenger's row is changed to red. After solving the problem in the check-in page, you can click on the button with the ellipsis mark again in the Action tab. Choose the Allow Boarding option. Note: the gate person will be confronted by the deny error on the boarding page when he or she wants to board a denied passenger after using this option. If the problem has been solved, you can use the button with the ellipsis mark again in the Action tab within the boarding page in order to permit the denied passenger to board. You can write the reason for allowing boarding here and click on the Allow button. Now you can board the passenger.